What are try-catch blocks?
Try-catch blocks are a common feature in many programming languages. They are used to handle errors or unexpected situations in code. By using a try-catch block, you can prevent your program from crashing when something goes wrong, and instead, decide how the program should respond to those errors.
How does a try-catch block work?
A try-catch block is split into two parts, the try section and the catch section. The code that might cause an error goes inside the try block. If an error occurs, the catch block runs instead. This allows you to manage errors smoothly and keep your program running, even when issues happen.
Why use try-catch blocks?
Try-catch blocks help create more reliable software. If a part of your code tries to do something risky, like reading a missing file or dividing by zero, a try-catch block keeps these mistakes from crashing your program. This means users get a better experience, and you can handle errors more gracefully.
A simple try-catch example.
In many languages, such as Python or Java, a try-catch block looks like this. First, you place the potentially problematic code in the try block. If an error appears, the catch block executes, allowing you to display a message or take another action. This structure makes error handling predictable and clear.
Tips for using try-catch effectively.
Only use try-catch blocks for code that can actually fail unexpectedly. Avoid putting too much code inside the try block to keep errors easy to find. Always provide meaningful actions or messages in the catch block so users and developers know what went wrong and how to proceed.